one point ko is Izanagi is very strong in Q4. Is very up Q1 to Q4 to Q1. Okay, grabe mag-mean revert yung market. Lalo na Izanagi. Number 2 is, okay, mga CAD pairs is the one driving this. So ngayon, may NCD CAD level 7, that's rare. And you saw that based on this backtest. Diba? So pansinin nyo, 4 years data. So level 10 is the highest pair and it only happened once a year, once every 4 years. Yung mga level 8, usually, support levels na yung tinatamaan niya. Level 6, yan, level 7, di ba? Ngayon, level 7 siya, oh. Maraming support pa namang si NCD CAD, kaya I'm not fretting, hindi naman ako tatakot. So, number 3 point is maximize to Izanagi and Shadow. Dapat meron ka niyan, may Izanagi ka. Diversify nyo. Maliit, malaki, basta diversify. Okay? May Shadow ka, may Izanagi ka, tapos may other products ka. Kasi itong dalawa, especially Izanagi, is very low risk. Talagang kahit pabayaan mo lang. Yung 3.5 is dapat may additional account ka. Pag pumunta sa mga levels na level 4, level 5, may separate account ka doon. May additional account ka. Anong term natin dito pag ganito? Tarak. May additional account kang pang tarak. Kasi what we know, what we understand is during this level, lalo na mga CAD pairs is very rare mag-trend. Very rare trending. So, ibig sabihin, most of the times, sideways lang yung movement nila.